Oh, I'm excited to announce and be able to break out the Leofoto AtlasPacks X collaboration that includes the adventure hip belt, the MOLLE webbing, the magnetic buckle, and a series of quick connects that include feet, lens feet, and clamps. So let's get into the details here, right? So if you have big glass that you want to make A, lighter, and B, more efficient, Leofoto has a series of tripod feet that are fantastic. So let me put the old ones over here. And these guys are slightly larger in terms of the length, a ton beefier, better looking, and have some additional features that include an ARCA dovetail and this push pin access. So you can now connect this gear to the MOLLE hip belt with the magnetic buckle, and you can use them on the plates, lens feet that they give you, that you'll buy, or you can get it with a clamp like such. If you've got an ARCA, plate and ARCA system. And in short, the way it works is pretty simple. This MOLLE, oh, I grabbed the wrong one. By the way, the clip at the top, I have various styles. I'm yet to decide which one I like, and they're still apt to change. So these will be available as a drop and as a release. Speaking of drops, you won't drop your lens with it, because this can hold a good, amount of weight with the magnetic buckle off the pack. If you have it on the pack, then you don't necessarily need the magnetic buckle. But we'll save those stories for another day. For now, just know that AtlasPacks and Leofoto have a little collaboration, and the package works as such. You will choose your hip belt, and you will choose a selection of 2 or 3 or 4, right? So you get the hip belt, the magnetic buckle, and then 2, 3, or 4 of the webbing quick connect clips. And then you can choose on the side whatever you need in terms of lens feet, right? Or clamps. So, and there's Nikon, Sony, Canon, you've got them all. Just hit the AtlasPacks shop, find your feet, decide how many you need for your big lenses, big bodies, get your clamps, get 2, 3, or 4 of the webbing quick connects. And if you already have a belt and already have a buckle, then you can just get the connects, the MOLLE connects, and get these guys. All right? Have fun. Let me know what questions you have.